Alright, I want to do a quick video on this tool I've been developing. It's a card style tool similar to that of a Victorinox Swiss card. It's also very similar in form factor. It comes in at 4.5 millimeters at the very thickest point, which is right here. And the Swiss card comes in at 5.6, I believe. I will check, but I'm fairly certain that's correct. The difference with this tool is that it utilizes a utility blade as the main tool instead of the small little pop-in knife that they have on that tool. The way this works is you can see this little triangle basically acts as a detent wrap, holding the blade in place, and then once you push it forward, it acts as the lock. It's very easy to do one-handed. And then to unlock it, you push this bar to the side and it rides along top and then snaps in place. Now this is all in a track, and I'll show you the way to replace the blades. You would pull this out. You can see how this interacts with the utility knife blade. I've tested this with some no-name blades, the DeWalt blades, and then Lennox blades. They all fit. DeWalt blades fit the best though. You can sort of see how there is the track here that interacts with the track on here. And to put it back in, you just snap it in place and it works again. Now the other implements on here are similar to that of a Swiss card. You have tweezers, toothpick. I think the ferro rod may fit in here. I'm not sure because I do not have one. And here's the pen, which also fits in here. And I don't have the pin on this version, but I think I can add it as I've done it in a couple different prototypes before this. So I will update you if I do that. The diamond file here is the one from the Roxxon Flex series tools. And it just clips into place. You can take it out and use it separately and clip it in place here. When it's in here, it's inset, so it's primarily a nail file. This top implement did inspire another project, which is similar. It is a flex carrying card for the long implements on the Roxxon Flex. I'll do a separate video on that if you're interested. And this utility knife system is somewhat inspired by this tool I did prior to it, which utilizes a magnetic locking mechanism. There is still a couple things I want to look into on this tool, mainly trying to eliminate this blade play. Now that's because since this is printed on a FDM printer, there's this layer line top surface, which causes friction. So I'm trying to give enough tolerance where it slides out smoothly, but I think there might be a couple ways I can fix that. Now, if there is a lot of interest in this tool, I might do a follow-up video with any changes I make and maybe release the print file. But I have a bunch of other multi-tool projects I'm working on, so if you want to see those, I will be posting them. So that's about it.